Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my another video. It's me Tamim. Now I am in the nature. I am really addicted to nature. That's why when I get time, I spend my time with nature. This is evening time. It is around 5 p.m. and now I am in the nature, and nature is really mind-blowing. And as you can see, I'm surrounded by the nature. There are a lot of leaves of trees. Okay, the leaves of trees attracted me. The leaves of trees dazzling. That's why I am enjoy that. After coming here, I thought I should share the nature with you. That's why accordingly I'm in front of the camera. Okay, you can see today's weather is really mind-blowing.